Hey fellow electronics manufacturers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a game-changing technology that is revolutionizing the soldering process in the electronic manufacturing industry: robotic soldering automation. You might be wondering, why should your company explore this exciting technology? Well, let's find out. First and foremost, robotic soldering technology enhances efficiency in your production line. These automated systems are designed to work tirelessly, without fatigue or breaks, consistently delivering precise and reliable solder joints every single time. By eliminating human soldering errors and increasing production speed, you can meet higher demand while maintaining top-notch quality. Now let's talk about the financial benefits. While the initial investment may seem substantial, robotic soldering automation can save you money in the long run. By reducing labor costs and minimizing rework due to soldering mistakes, you'll see a significant improvement in your bottom line. Moreover, these systems require minimal maintenance, ensuring maximum uptime. Quality is crucial in electronics manufacturing, and robotic soldering technology guarantees unmatched consistency. These machines are programmed with precision, ensuring the soldering process is executed with absolute accuracy on every single board. Say goodbye to variations and hello to a higher level of product quality that will impress your clients. Another important aspect to consider is the safety of your employees. Soldering work can involve exposure to hazardous materials and repetitive motions, which can lead to long-term health issues. With robotic soldering automation, human involvement is minimized, reducing the risk of injuries and ensuring a healthier working environment for your team. Lastly, investing in robotic soldering technology positions your company for the future. As competition grows and customers demand faster turnaround times and higher quality products, automation is becoming a necessity. Embracing this advanced technology demonstrates your commitment to innovation, giving your company a competitive edge in the market. So, fellow electronics manufacturers, it's time to take the leap into the future of soldering with robotic automation. Boost your efficiency, save costs, ensure consistent quality, prioritize employee safety, and future-proof your business. The advantages are undeniable. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest advancements in electronics manufacturing. We'll see you next time. And remember to go pro.